Hello guys and welcome back. This time, we will learn how to animate vertices based on their weight using modifiers. And for that, let us open a new Blender file. So, after cleaning the scene, add a new plane. In edit mode, subdivide the plane a couple of times, say like 10 or 20. Then, from modifiers, add a subdivision surface to it. We also need a modifier called vertex weight proximity. And let me extend this side for you to see it clearly. In this modifier, first, put the proximity mode on geometry to affect the mesh. In the fall off, make it smooth for the animation. We also have those two empty fields in the top that we need to fill. For the target object, I will add an empty sphere in the scene, then, if I go back to the target field it should show up there. For the vertex group, we can make one by selecting all the vertices in the plane and assign them here to a new group. Then again, if you go back to the modifier, you should find the group there and select it. To see what this modifier did, we can go to vertex weight mode. With those color, the empty is affecting the plane in the sides at a maximum value, and in the center at minimum 1. We can experiment with those numbers. I will change those numbers to make the effect show inside the empty. Last modifier we need is the displace. As you see, it is also a vertex group field, so select the same group we made. Switch back to object mode. Now, if we select the empty and move it around, the effect will follow the movements. Also, in the displace modifier, we can here add a texture and put it on one of the default settings. So, this looks rough. To smooth it, increase the viewport number in the subdivision modifier to 4, and with the right mouse button, hit Shade Smooth. Now it looks better. To animate this movement, we can record the auto keys for the empty movement, and cut the part you need from the frame range. You can also jump to the graph editor and smooth it more. With this kind of animation you can go from generating mountains in a fantasy landscape, to animate a building mesh along its elevation. So have fun with that.